Good morning, David here with his weekly week look, and this is Friday 26th of November. And as usual, we are looking at the May UK wheat chart, and that's May 2011 UK wheat chart. And we start here with our following on from my video of last week, and as we've got marked on here, and the big red support lines, which are the lows on this chart here, on this candlestick chart, and we've got clearly marked here the green highs. Now, as you can see, we're indicating a rise last week. This time last week we're indicating a rise this week, and this has taken place. We've risen on every day. 1, 2, 3, and that's Friday's candle today. The time is now 10:30 and we're live, and it's trading at 179 after just touching 180. The stochastic is 3/4 the way up. I would be saying that we probably have seen enough of the rise at the present moment. Obviously we broke this previous high here, 175, which was my first initial point. We are getting to the top of our Bollinger Band here, which is sitting at 181, and the stochastic is still pointing up, but it is losing a little bit of angular strength. So indications for next week possibly would see sort of Monday, Tuesday sort of holding on to this round the 180 mark, probably a test of 182, but we may struggle to try and break through this 185 without another further pullback. So my indications for next week's trading would be indications of a holding of this sort of 180 mark, and then a slight pullback to another retest to the 185. Or if the market does have its legs, it could then still keep going up and go to test this 185. And as previously said, we've got our targets here set at 195, 197. But as you can see on this chart, we are still clearly in an uptrend, taking with higher lows and higher highs. But we may be getting a little bit overextended on this recent rise up. So if you were looking at taking some actual cover on wheat at the present moment, it may not be a bad time, because we could see prices sort of stay at this level, fall back. Obviously, just looking at the stochastic at the bottom here, you can clearly see that we don't get another sell signal until we touch the 80 mark, which is this horizontal mark here on the stochastic. And as you can see, we've got another couple of days until this happens. So we shouldn't be getting into that kind of area until Tuesday of next week. And then it'll be a case of whether the stochastic then decides to lock itself in with a good upwards trend, or we see some retracement. As you can see, the market is holding on to this, testing the 180 mark at the moment. Just have a quick look at the Chicago wheat, and you can see the complete reverse against the Chicago wheat market, which obviously has been falling quite dramatically through the first half of November. Has had a rise on, that would be Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, of course, we've got the US have been on holiday with Thanksgiving, so obviously you had no trading yesterday, but it is looking to recover from this fall, and obviously this stochastic is down here at the bottom, not giving a buy signal at the present moment. So just to sum up, on the UK wheat, we are looking for a pullback or sideways motion here for Monday and Tuesday, and then either a retest back up to this 185 or another leg sort of down, probably come back down to test the 174. So 185 or 174 looks the current range, but obviously I'll put an update this time next week. Thank you for watching.